Hi students, and welcome to this week's edition of multiplication. Yes, we're going to learn how to multiply today. It's so fun, you'll wonder how you never knew it in the first place. Alright, let's learn the fundamentals of what a multiplication or multiplying is. Let's go to the paper. It'll be upside down, but I'll turn it forward for you. Let's see, can you see this? Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay, now that we've learned how to add complex numbers, multiplying should be a piece of cake. What multiplying is, for example, is if you have two of something, and then you multiply it. When you multiply, let's say 4, what you're saying is that take the number 2 and you add it 4 times to itself. So plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Let's count how many 2's we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. This equals 2 times 4. Okay? Now, to figure out the answer, we just add, right? So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8, which means 2 times 4 equals 8. Alright, now let's use some chips and see how that looks. Let's say we have 2 red chips, right? And we multiply by 4. Oops. So we add 2 to it 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count how many chips we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chips total, so 2 times 4 is 8. Now let's see what 2 times 2 is. This is going to be, you would ask why. Excuse me. Now, remember what 2 plus 2 is? 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's see. What is 2 plus 2? Here we go. 4. And 2 times 2 is just adding 2 times. So 1, 2. And add that together is 4. So that is why 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. You won't get that anywhere else with other numbers. Alright, let's try other numbers. 3 times 2. Now what do we do with that? Let's say, what is 3 times 2? It's how many times 3 will be added onto itself. So 3, there's 1, plus 3. That's 2. So 3 plus 3 is, it's 6. That means 3 times 2 equals 6. Right? Okay. And to look at that with chips, here's 1, 2, 3 times 2. This is 1. And this is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 3, or 3 times 2 is 6. Now what is 3 times 3? Here's a little trick that I'd like to show you. Whenever you multiply the number to itself, you would get very interesting numbers but very easy to remember. Okay. So we knew 2 times 2 is 4. Three times 3, how many do we have there? Good job. We have 9. Now, let's go on to 4, the next same numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 rows of 4. And all you have to do is count how many chips, or you add it to itself. Let's say with 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And as you go up the multiplication table, you learn that this will make a square, and then you just add on. Hope I'm explaining myself clearly. We will do a multiplication table so that it would be clearer. Okay, we just did 5 times 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now all you do is just add it to each other, or you can count it. But it's very simple because all you're doing is adding 5 each time. So 5 plus 5, that's 10. 10 plus 5, just go up another 5, is 15. 5 go up another 5 is 20. And then 20 go up another 5 is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. And that's what you do with any numbers that you want to multiply. And now I'll show you the multiplication table. Once you learn how to fill that out, you can even memorize the table so that whenever these numbers ever come up, it'll automatically pop into your head. Okay? So let's take a break, and then I'll be right back with the multiplication table.